Hey everybody, welcome back to Colton's Christmas Concert Series. Tonight is the sixth night of the series. And before I start playing, I'd first like to thank my teacher for putting up with me for these past 6 or 7 years. I'd also like to thank my dad for going downstairs when I record. So, thanks Dad. And then I'd also like to thank my mom for starting me on piano and persevering me through it. I hope I said that right. And what I'll be playing tonight is Colder Weather.
And your teacher's who?
Miss Fort Meyer.
Mrs.
Sorry.
Fort. She's the
Thank
best.
you, Mrs. Fort Meyer.
All right.